Benchmark yourself. Benchmark help you to understand where you stand, to understand your performance. Are you at par with the industry? The meaningful comparison with the competitors at the same level. Benchmark is a systematic continuous performance improvement to identify the best practices. When you're dealing with the benchmark, the most of the corporate, they are doing various analysis to take the data from the competitors, to following the best practices to improve their performances. The best practices following three things. Number one, benchmark deals with best practices, not best performance. The performance may change. If you are following the best practices, it's everlasting. Number two, benchmark is a continuous process. It's a never-ending process. Keep on improving ourselves. The one process completed, again you have to move on to the next step. Benchmark is a process and it's a cycle. Number three, identify the scope for improvement and implement it. Wherever possible, wherever the areas for improvement, we have to identify and keep improving ourselves. How the process will work, we'll discuss. The first step is a plan. What you want to benchmark? What are the areas to improvement? Especially when you are looking for the areas for improvement, the first thing you have to look in for the critical factors. You have to focus on the critical factors, then moving on to the next areas. Then how we are going to get the data? How they get the market information? You have to do the survey, or you can take it from the database, the collective database, you can use it. And third one, whom you are going to interact, whom you are going to benchmark. That is very critical, because if you are doing the benchmark with the top level or below level, very difficult. You cannot set the performance. You cannot improve the performance. When you are doing the benchmark, it's at par with your level. You cannot, for example, if you are having the business for the 100 crores, you cannot compare with the 10,000 crores business. You have to inline with your business. You have to inline with where you stand. With the same set of quality, the same set of business, same set of specification, you have to compare with. Only then you can start improving yourself. Number two is analysis. What is the current performances? What is going to get the future performance? You have to do the gap analysis. You compare with your competitors, where we are lacking. You have to do the gap analysis and you have to focus on that. And what are the potential opportunities we can take it from that? Based on that, you have to analyze and what are the things we can improve on that. Number three is integration. What are the gap analysis identify? We have to implement it. We have to focus on it. We have to communicate the findings and improve our confidence level. And the third level, the integration, is a change management. Applying the best practices in the industry. So eliminating the traditional method, improving the new technology, new ideas, the change management, change methodology will help you to analyze yourself and implementing the new areas. And the fourth one is action. Merely take action is not enough here. What are the areas we are concentrated? What are the areas for improvement we are identified? The gap we are identified. We have to improve, we have to implement. While implementing, there may be a lot of deviation is there. We have to identify the deviation and to solve it. And continuously focusing on the areas for improvement. And frequently assess the processes will help you to close the loopholes wherever possible and recalibrate the benchmarks, determine the process, and we have to overcome the situations. The action is clearly visible and it should be achieve your automation, You have to keep on doing the practices, that you have to take the action on that. These are the 4 processes will help you to identify where we stand, the benchmark ourselves, the planning, the analysis, the integration, and action will help you to identify where we stand compared with the others. As most of the time, as a corporate is doing, as an individual fail to do this, in order to avoid, if we can do the benchmark ourselves, someone taking us our best practice as a benchmark, are you enough to take care of the things? And also importantly, the one process is completed, you have to take the another areas for improvement. That is the reason it's called as a continuous process. Once the process is completed, that means plan, act, and analysis, and finally and action. Once you complete the process, again you move on to again start the new plan, new areas for improvement. You'll keep on improving yourself. Will show you the wonderful results. You will stand out from the industry. It will show you the best performance. The people are looking for your best practices from you. Thank you.